Titan Jupiter Premium. Features a touchscreen controller, L-track massage from your neck to glutes, also featuring a body scan system. Enjoy our exclusive 3D massage. The various massage programs and styles, full body air massage with a total of 80 air cells, hip compression, arm and hands, a wraparound temple massage, calves and feet with a dual action foot massager. Jupiter LE was designed for oversized comfort. Hello, Kiri.
Hi, I am here.
Zero gravity.
Okay, zero gravity on.
Jupiter Premium has a lot of heated positions, including the lumbar, heated seat, and heated calf area. The heated back roller can cover the top of the neck all the way down to the lower glutes. This chair only requires 3.2 inches from the wall. Enjoy a massage with your favorite music. Available in 3 colors. Has an oversized design for comfort. Titan.